Hi, this is the TCL 40NXTPAPER and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first open the settings application and then tap to the Wi-Fi section. To activate Wi-Fi option or to turn it off, we should click here to the switcher. After that, you'll see here all of the available networks. Just select one from the networks and enter the password. For example, I'll use this one, then just tap the connect button and we could see that our device successfully connected to this network. Also, we get one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and you'll see here the Wi-Fi icon. Just to activate Wi-Fi option or to turn it off, you should click here to the switcher. To launch full Wi-Fi settings, tap to more settings and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, click thumbs up and subscribe.